So hi all, welcome back to my channel. This is the 11B part of Dent Life. For those people who haven't seen the 11A part, please do watch it after this video so that you will be very clear with the concept of cranial nerves. So let's begin with our today's session. Let's begin, friends. As you can see here, I have drawn the diagram of a human brain. I have drawn this in a very simple way so that you can easily understand its parts and the structures and whatever I'm going to explain through this diagram. This part is a cerebrum. This is the cerebellum. This entire part is a brain stem. The C-shaped structure is the pons, which is the main important part of today's topic. This is the medulla. The small projection is a pituitary gland. This is a hypothalamus. This area represents the thalamus. And this one is a corpus luteum. And this small portion is the midbrain. Now you can see a green color structure which as I've drawn in this diagram. It represents the facial nerve. You can see here that the facial nerve is emerging through the C-shaped pons. Okay, so let's move on to the next video. Let's learn about the muscles of the facial expression. Okay, please don't see the color markings and the color codings. Okay, these I have made for easy learning. For now, keep it aside. Let's see what are the muscles of facial expression now. Zygomaticus major, zygomaticus minor, levator labii superioris, levator anguli oris, depressor anguli oris, dilator nares, depressor septi, corrugator supercilii, procerus, platysma frontalis mentalis, buccinator orbicularis oris, and rhizoreus. Okay, so let's see how to memorize it in a very simple way. Now I have marked these two as 2Z. Okay, now what is 2Z? It is nothing but zygomaticus major and zygomaticus minor. Let's see what is 2L. It is levator labii superioris and levator anguli oris. 3D is the depressor anguli oris, dilator nares, and depressor septi. Now what is CP? It's corrugator supercilii and procerus. PFM stands for platysma frontalis and mentalis, and the last, that is BOR, that is BOR. It stands for the buccinator orbicularis oris and rhizoreus. So in this way, you won't miss out any muscles or facial expressions. So I hope it's very clear to you. Isn't it easy, friends? So as you can see here, the most important 5 branches of the facial nerve are the temporal branch, zygomatic branch, buccal branch, marginal mandibular branch, and the cervical branch. You must have already studied the 5 fingers rule, which is very easy to memorize actually. If not, please do comment in the comment section, which is just below this video, so that I can explain you that method in my upcoming videos. Okay, so let's proceed. The temporal branch, it supplies the 3 muscles, that is the frontalis, the auricular muscle, and the orbicularis oculi. The zygomatic branch supplies the orbicularis oculi. The buccal branch supplies the muscles of cheek and the upper lip. The marginal mandibular branch supplies the muscles of lower lip. And the cervical branch supplies the platysma. All these 5 branches are mixed type fiber containing branches. Now what all this include? The sensory, motor, and autonomic fibers. So I hope it's very clear to you. So here is a field of explanation of the field of innervation of the facial nerve, right? So as we have already discussed in our previous video, that is, there are three types of the fibers which actually makes up the facial nerve, that is the motor type of fibers, the sensory type of fibers, and the autonomic fibers. The motor type fibers, it supplies mainly these muscles. Now which are those muscles? Let's see. The muscles of facial expression, as we have already learned in our previous video. Then the posterior belly of digastric muscle, stylohyoid muscle, and the stapedius muscle. The sensory fibers innervates, or it carries a sensation, that is the taste sensation, from the anterior 2/3 of tongue. And the autonomic fibers innervates the submandibular gland, sublingual gland, and the lacrimal gland. So thank you all for watching this video. I hope you must have understood everything about the cranial nerves and especially of the facial nerve, which muscles do they supply, and in detailed depth. So if you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share and comment as well in the comment section. I would love to see all your comments. For those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do it now, and please click on the bell icon button too, so that you'll be notified as I upload my videos. So I'll be coming with more such amazing videos. Till then, take care. Bye.